Hello, welcome back. If you guys are coming back, if not, welcome to this video. Well, welcome anyway. I really appreciate you guys watching this, and I just wanted to make a little video of how to make homemade vanilla extract because I feel like everyone is cooking and baking right now because of quarantine, which is awesome. It's a great time to practice those skills. Vanilla extract is so freaking expensive that I feel like this is a great thing to have in your back pocket, especially if you're baking constantly. You're probably burning through it. I feel like some of the best recipes call for an incredible amount of it, so this can save you guys some money and be like a fun little project also while you're in quarantine. So I'm actually in Kona, Hawaii right now. This is my mother's home. It's where I'm from, and that might be why everything looks a little different or very, very familiar. So I'm having like a deja vu moment because this is where I filmed my very first YouTube video when I was like 16 years old. Crazy. I feel like I'm 16 again, which is awesome. Love to be wrinkle-free. Anyway, my wonderful, beautiful mom showed me this, and so I'm very excited to share it with you guys. Let me just bring her in really quick. So this is my wonderful mother. Most of you guys are amazing friends and family of mine, so you know her. But Gladys, she showed me this recipe and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. Okay guys, so that was my mom. I love her so much. And this is super easy. You need 3 ingredients. Excuse my gross nails. But you need 3 ingredients, and that is vanilla bean, vodka, and a little bottle or jar to put it in. Beauty Guru? Wow, okay. So you can get your vanilla bean at Costco or online. If you have a Whole Foods maybe, I would suggest looking up where you might find it before you go to the store. That way, when this is all over, if you go to the store, that you'll be able to find it easier. But for the situation right now, just order it online. It's super easy. And then you will need vodka, and if you're pouring it into like a little jar, then you're gonna wanna make sure that this is pourable so you don't spill it everywhere. The smell of vodka makes me very sick. Comment down below if you can relate. And then you're gonna need a little tiny jar. And so actually what we did was, these were like little hot cocoa jars or sugar jars. You can use anything you want. You can buy brand new ones, or you can just repurpose old ones, which is awesome. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And these are very, very cute, and they will look very cute to store them in. A lot of the time you'll get your vanilla extract and it'll be in this little tiny bottle, but I think that this is so cute, and we're gonna put it in here for cute factor, or you can put it in a jar if you want, which is also fun. So you're gonna have to let this sit for 5 weeks, so keep that in mind. So I was just making it right away if you possibly can, and then it will be ready for you to use. So let's go and make it. I want to say that if you're worried about the alcohol, you are going to be using it to cook with almost any time that you use vanilla extract, and so that will actually get rid of almost all of the actual alcohol in it, and it's going to be in such small increments that you will not be affected by it whatsoever. All of vanilla extract's base is alcohol, so that's essentially the same thing. You're not going to get drunk. Don't chug vanilla extract because that's disgusting. Use this for cookies and do something fun. So you take your vanilla bean. For this size bottle, I'll probably just use this. So you can kind of, we're Puerto Rican, so we eyeball everything. But this will probably be enough for this right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're gonna slice it open. And you want everything to be exposed. So if you see inside of it, there's almost, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are these little beans and ground kind of inside of it, and you want that to be exposed. That way you get all the yumminess in it. And I'm going to cut it in half, and you are just going to open your little bottle and stick her in there. Next, you're going to take your vodka and you are just going to pour it. Ooh, the smell. Oh. Don't spill like me, that was not good. So you're gonna screw that back on, and I'm gonna give this a quick little rinse, so it's okay. So guys, it's literally that simple. This is the vanilla extract. Hopefully you guys can see it in its little bottle. You can give it a little shake, and then this needs to sit for 5 weeks, and then it will be ready to use, and it will look something kind of like this. So what Gladys did is she actually wrote the date on top, that way you would know for sure when to use it, and I suggest doing that just so there's no confusion. Also, maybe put a label on it if you're not sure. This would be a really cute gift for someone who loves baking, so might be a good idea. So that's it, super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye.